if they learn mistakes. All right, so handy calculator. I do care. I do care in case any administrator is watching this video. Okay. 25 divided by 2,000. Oops, one too many zeros. Enter. Math. Enter. Enter. So I get 1 gram. There's my rate. 1 gram per 80 calories. All right, then we got to do the 2,500 calorie diet, right? So we got, what was it, 30 grams per 2,500 calories. Put that in our handy dandy calculators. 30 divided by 2,500. Enter. Math. Enter. Enter. And we get 3 grams. 3 grams per 250 calories. So our we did not get a unit measure. So let's compare the decimals. Okay. So this one was 0.0125, right? And this one was 0.012. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Is it almost proportional? Why, yes, it is. Yes. Yes. All right. What else we got? B. B. Approximately how many grams of fiber should be recommended for a 3,000 calorie diet? Well, that's easy. Because we're just going to take our 3,000 calories, right? And multiply it by our rate, which is 0.012. And using our handy dandy calculators, let's see, 3,000 times 0.012. We get 36. Approximate. We should say approximately 36 grams because we know it changes by 0.0005. C. Consider the recommendations for total fat. Oh, for total fat, cholesterol, sodium, fiber, and protein shown in number 10. I don't like to go back. Which of these are proportional or almost proportional to the number of calories? Okay, so we got to find number 10. Number 10. Number 10. 10, 10, 10. Number 10. One of these days I'm going to staple all this. Okay, so here's the thing for number 10, right? All right. Consider fat, cholesterol, sodium. Where's fat, cholesterol, sodium? Which of these are proportional or almost all proportional? Do we have to do these each individually? Because that would really suck. See, cholesterol. I suppose maybe we would have. Okay, 2,000. Let's see. We would have to take total fat is 65 grams over 2,000 calories, right? And then we would have to take 300 for the cholesterol, right? 300 divided by 2,000. Then we would have, what else? We got sodium. Sodium would be 2,400 divided by 2,000. And then we got, what else we got here? Uh, fiber, fiber 25 over 2,000. And then protein is 50 over 2,000. And then we have to compare each one of these to the 2,500. Isn't that fun? So 25 is 80 over 25. And the sodium, cholesterol. Cholesterol would be 300. Huh. Cholesterol didn't change at all. So we know what cholesterol is because they're exactly the same. We know those are proportional. Um, so is the sodium. So we don't even have to do that. Sodium was 2,400 over 3,000 or 2,500. And total carbos 375 over 2,500. And then what's the last one? Protein. The protein is 65 over 2,500. So let's go back here and say, let's see, we have some that are the same, right? So cholesterols are the same. So these are proportional. Cholesterol, cholesterol is a yes. There was another one the same, right? Sodium. So I don't know how sodium can be the same, but we'll say yes. So we only have to do three of them, right? So handy dandy calculator time. 65 divided by 2,000. I get 0.0325. And let's do the fat for the 2,500. So I have 80 divided by 2,500. 0.032. So we have a yes on that one. And that was the fat. So that's a yes. Fiber. If fiber comes out proportional, then I'm quitting and saying all of them are. 25 divided by 2,000, because that's the student way of doing it. 0.0125. Didn't we do this one on the previous question? 375 divided by 2,500. 0.15. What? Ooh, that doesn't seem right. Fiber. Let me look at fiber. Make sure I wrote down the right numbers. Let's see. Fiber 20. It should be 30. This should be 30, not 375. That should be 30. 30 divided by 2,500. 0.012. So I'm going to do the student conclusion and say all of these are proportional and not do the last one. How about that? Yeah, that was a lot of work, wasn't it? All proportional. Yeah, QLS is They don't. You can't give them just a computed answer. You have to. They're going to make you think about it and give the answer. It's like that this entire course. Yeah. All right. So let's go to what D. Now, assuming that C was like this, I'm assuming that D is going to be the same thing. All right. Knowing if relationships are proportional or constant allows us to make recommendations for a 3,000 calorie diet, which you will do in the following table. If you think the suggested amount of nutrient is almost in proportion to the number of calories in a diet, so what if you don't think? Use the idea of how much the number of grams or milligrams of nutrient increases in the number of diet calories increases by 500. Okay, so we're saying increases by 500. That means 3,000. And it looks like we need the total fat, cholesterol, sodium, fiber, and protein for 2,000 and 2,500. So I need to do all those anyway. So here's a 2,000 calorie diet, right? All right. What was it? Total fat? Total fat was 0.0325. The cholesterol, so I'll just say cholesterol, was, um, I didn't do that, did I? Cholesterol was 300 divided by 2,000, 0.15. Then we had sodium. Sodium was, we didn't do that one either, did we? 2,500 or 2,400 divided by 2,000, 1.2. And what else we got? Fiber. Fiber was 0.0125. And the last one, protein, which I blew off because I didn't feel like doing it. But I did do it if an administrator was watching this video. So 50 divided by 2,000 is 0.025. Then we have the 2,500 calorie, right? So total fat was 0.032. The cholesterol was the same, right? Oh no, it's not the same. Yeah, it was. Cholesterol was the same. 300 over 2,500. Actually, it's going to be a little off. So 300 divided by 2,500, 0.12. Sodium, 2,400 divided by 2,500, 0.96. Fiber, did we do fiber? Yes, we did. 0.012. And then protein was 65 divided by 2,500. Isn't that fun? I wish I was listening to music. I stayed out in my car this morning because they put an old REO Speedwagon tune on. Yeah, I know. I haven't heard it for ages. Now I want to listen to it right now. Okay, now this table says we have to do the 3,000 calorie diet, right? So we're going to take all of these 3,000 multiplied by each one of these, right? 0.032. Oh, I'm using the 2,500 calorie anyway, but that's all right. 3,000 times 0.12. 3,000 times 0.96. 3,000 times 0.012. 3,000 times 0.026. There we go. 3,000 times 0.032. 96. It's grams. I'm going to leave the labels off. 3,000 times 0.12. 360. 3,000 times 0.96. 2,880. 3,000 times 0.12. Oh, nope. 3,000 times 0.012. 36. And then 3,000 times 0.026. 78. That was fun. All right. Number 12. A recent headline claims that toddlers' heads are disproportionately large compared to their body. They're bobbleheads, which can have ramifications in vehicle accidents. Is this true? Find data and explain how it is. I'm not doing this. You guys do this. Research it, okay? Google it. And that's it. So you guys are ready for your homework. You're supposed to do the math lab first, but because it'll help you do these. But math lab's down. Let's see. Maddie lost 18 pounds in 8 weeks. I'm going to stop this video here.